Right, guys, we are going to a muscle car show right now. It is at Stanwell Park. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Alright, guys, we are at the muscle car show, and this is a Nissan GTR. Sorry, it's a newer one. There are a lot of cool cars. That car sounds like it's broken.
It's not broken, that's a turbo.
That's a turbo?
Look at the...
What type of car is that? Yeah. Look at the Subaru, guys. Now I need to go around the back. Casual car. Some look casual, some you know are super cars.
Look, all these ones driving around. It's
Scared.
just step back, yeah.
Look at that MG.
That's a cool MG, isn't it? That's a clean MG.
That MG looks nice. There goes the Biazzi. That MG looks nice.
It's very nice, isn't it?
The MG looks like a car that you could. It's nice.
Sorry about that.
Figure
Look,
if
that's a modern Rex.
pretty nice. Wow, that engine looks complicated. I know nothing about engines. What is that? Wait, what type of car is this?
It's a 4GT.
And then what's the car coming? That one's and this is the 4GT. No, yeah. Look, Mama. It's just windy. That's a 351 GT.
Which one?
The white one.
Wait, which one is?
Yeah, that's it.
Wait, which one is the Dodge SRT?
The white, big white, like modern white one.
No, that's a Bentley.
No,
Go one of these.
It's a Dodge.
That one?
Yeah.
No. I think it's like a Bentley or something like that.
Daddy says it's a Dodge.
Okay. Seen it.
Have you already punched yourself for that?
Yeah. Jeep. That's a cool car. Mm. Wow. Look at that Jaguar.
Oh yeah. Nah.
Well,
How funny was Shaun the Dead laugh yesterday?
oh yeah. Is that the Jaguar that they drew?
Yeah.
And this is a Valiant.
That.
It looks really
I
nice.
used to have the old. Good ornaments.
8. Right. Let's walk still. Mercedes. That's a lot. Oh. But I think this might be a Falcon. I'm not sure though. Falcon. Falcon? Weird. Never seen that type of car name. It's a sweet car, that one. Oh, the Herbie. The Herbie 2.0.
orange one. The orange one's sick. Oh look, this one's got icing in its legs.
Oh my god. This one got eyes. That's cool.
That's really cool.
This one looks like something straight out of. Who knows?
I like these ones. Fair boy. And then I like the green valley.
Oh look, there's something else putting in there. Oh, those cars that we drove past just on the side of the road are putting it.
What are those?
Yeah. Porsche 911. That's an older 911 though. That is cool. Same with this red one. The red one looks cool, right? I don't know. Write down in the comments what you think it is.
Oh, like the dress. Do you remember the magical dress? It was either white or it was blue.
How?
I don't know. We did show it to you.
What did I think it
I
colour
can't
was?
remember now. It was like a phenomenon, wasn't it? What are we doing in the park?
Oh yeah. But we're here for muscle cars.
Oh, unless something happened to me when it rained.
Yeah. That's a nice car. But so is this one. Engine looks pretty good.
See this yellow car?
Which yellow car?
Daddy's uncle, growing up, he had the exact. Actually, his was green.
Which yellow car?
Like the Commodore.
Is that the Commodore 60? No.
No, it's like a VC Commodore.
Looks nice.
Yeah, okay, sure.
That's also nice. The one next to it's also very nice. And the one next to that one. Oh, nice. This one also looks nice. I think this is a Porsche. It is a Porsche. Probably a 528. No. Don't know my Porsches that well. It's definitely so. Oh, 944. That's close. Probably 528. Mustang GT. You've seen too many of them. Ooh, is that actual rust or fake rust? I can't tell.
I think that'd be done deliberately.
This car is nice. AKA nice. It's a nice car, 100%. They customized that car very heavily. Whoa, wow. Sick. Is that Holden Race? Can't tell. Suzuki. Wait, what type of car is it? Wait, what car is this called?
I don't know about that. The Suzuki. Yeah.
Like it's Suzuki Swift. Am I correct?
Maybe it's not. I've no idea.
It's a cool car.
No, isn't it a number? Is it an old Theo's car? Shows this.
No, she has another car.
Like a Suzuki 325.
No, this is. Oh, it's a draw. Tell what this is. This looks like a lot like a Dodge. It's not a Dodge.
What?
It's slippery. But look, it has a
Maybe
mini.
don't go there.
It has a mini version of
Oh
itself.
yeah, that's cool.
That's what you
And a
need.
spider. Two spiders. Over there.
I slipped.
Yeah, it must have got really like messed up down here in the way.
It's a cool car.
Sandman.
I feel like we've nearly seen all the cars, but I feel like we also haven't. Which one are we closer to? Seeing all the cars or not, or barely starting?
What do you think? You got eyes?
Seeing all the cars.
There you are.
We've not seen a Dodge yet.
I'd
Surprise.
probably take one of those.
This one,
Yeah, not
the red forward,
like same shape, basically. Not this is like the
sportier version. Oh, this car's nice. Chaser. Purple alloys, or are they black? I can't tell.
what's that one?
Chaser.
Yeah, right.
Toyota Chaser.
We had a chase.
Then we got this Holden. Ooh. The Holden's cool. Could say that for sure. Definitely looks like a sports car a little. I could call this a sports car. That one, the engine is exposed. I already got footage of that.
So what's interesting about Hot Rod, you can see how the steering works. Like, obviously everything's exposed.
Yeah, that's
I reckon they must only be able to take that out when it's definitely not.
wait. That's made by Dodge.
Yeah.
What car is it?
Pretty cool.
We saw a Dodge car, but not the Dodge car, which we wanted to see. Sadly, guys, we did not see a Challenger.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
Dodge
that's right.
Charger.
Right.
That sucks, right?
What's been the pick of the litter?
I didn't really look at this green one.
Oh, they're leaving now. I looked at it. It looked cool. All of them are very nice.
Walk back up again and have a look.
Yeah. I do like the 4GT. You know, I sort of
Yeah, the Ford GT looks sick.
the big American muscle.
Yeah. Oh, frick.
Oh, here comes the Jag. You know what we're talking about? This is very similar to the Jag that was in Shaun of the Dead.
That's exactly what I said.
Oh, yeah. Alright, stay off the road, man.
Yeah, it does look very similar, but newer. Cool car.
There's one of our customers.
The Patrol looks big. I don't know
You don't know?
which car's the best. I like the big American
I
muscles
do
as well.
like the
Herbies,
Herbies, yeah.
but they're technically not part of our the show.
Yeah, every car.
So we can vote for our own car. I really like the Porsche 911, do you?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. But all the
Yeah, I like that.
They're totally attainable as well, like 20 grand.
What, so now you're going to get Chopping Janice and get Valiant?
Yeah, I'd definitely consider that.
No, don't get a Valiant, get a Ford GT.
Too expensive, bro.
Like the old ones though.
Yeah.
How much are the old ones?
See that one there? That
Yeah.
one's probably about $200,000. Like original GTs are outrageous.
It looks like something out of
Look at it. Look how big it is.
Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
Oh
Cars,
yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah. But don't you think, but is the, what's the cheaper version that looks a little bit like that?
Valiant. That's why I like the Valiant.
A Ford GT is just expensive.
What do you mean?
So are they the only two GTs that are made?
So that's a new GT. So that one and that one are the same car. they're slightly different actually. Must be different year models.
You should get a new year.
Listen to that Valiant. Oh mate,
Oh, yeah, right.
it's so throaty.
It is.
That's what you want.
Yeah. They're the Valiants, bro. Can't you get like a new Dada? Can't you get like a newer Ford, like a mid-tier Ford Mustang? Like a middle between the new, like that and that. That looks like that.
I'm not sure. I don't know that much about Mustang heritage. Look at that.
The red one looks good. But these GT shots.
Yeah, I like the grey one. Yellow Mustang.
That's a cool one.
Although, did you see this guy? Never late, he's in trouble.
Yeah, wait, that one's also lowered like hell.
Yeah.
So, why do people... Yeah, this is a new GTR 100%.
It's got a big bum.
Yeah.
I reckon he must be up in this. Like, he must have...
He got the sticking out wheels.
He must have a suspension that allows him to lift it up. So there's no way he could drive with those wheels like that.
Yeah, no way. I like that car as well, do you? And that one.
Yeah, I like that one.
I'm gonna quickly look around it. It looks sporty. Oh, yeah, GT 350. I say if you want one that, yeah, that's a new GTR. That's the new GTR, that's a GTR. That's the 350. I say that's the one you want, do you?
They're pretty cool.
Now let's finally, this is like an Aston Martin or something. Let's go around the back and finally figure out what it is. So Dada, what type of car is this one?
That's a good price.
But who made it? Oh, I've seen it.
They
Oh,
look like Bentleys, don't they?
yes. What's this car?
This one, 280 for
Oh no, I think it's a 380. It's 300 ZX. Looks cool. Wait, what about that mini red one that just pulled up next to ours?
That's a Lotus.
It has pop-out headlights
Yeah.
and then a Porsche 911.
The Porsche is nice. Isn't it?
Well, hon.
When he was in her very first HR job, her boss drove to work every day.
The Lotus.
Yeah, the Lotus.
Do you want to have a look at its front?
Yeah.
Porsche 911S. What's it? You have to. I will. You have to admit the Porsches do look nice. Now, yep, this is a Lotus. Should we just let headlights pop out?
Yeah, they do. They like their lights. They're like, ooh.
Like, do they turn to the Porsche's headlights look sort of thing?
Yeah, sort of.
It's cool.
Yeah, right.
What?
I couldn't get back out of it.
What happened?
City boy car, isn't
The
it?
very first time I injured my back, that is what Mummy's boss took her home in.
You home in?
She took me home in it.
Yeah.
Yes. And it was like really difficult.
Oh, the door's hard to open.
Oh, because it's so low and small.
They do. There goes the GT.
Alright, should we good?
Yeah.
What's the car?
Oh, frick.
We'll say it together on 5, like windmill looking.
I don't know.
Alright, you've got 10 seconds to think.
It's between 2 for me.
Yeah, I was just thinking. What's your 2 wheels?
The 2 that I like the most is the I don't know. Can we just wait till the engine sort of quiet down and then we'll start talk?
Feeling's nice.
Oh, there goes the Porsche.
It does, doesn't
Well,
I know that guy from somewhere.
it? Yeah.
well, for me, it's between the Ford, that GT
Yeah,
over there.
The GT. Oh, look at this thing coming out.
Yeah. Oh.
So the Ford GT there, but I don't know which one's better, the new Skyline or the older Skyline.
Oh, yeah.
I like the Skyline. No, I
think
mean,
it's between the Valiant that left a little bit earlier and that GT there.
Yeah.
Mate.
I think the Valiant that left.
which one do you say?
Probably the Valiant that left me. I do enjoy them.
Ah,
Oh, that car's gone that way.
that's cool. So we have not decided. So
Alright.
which one won?
Out?
Yeah.
Which one won, guys?
Yeah, it does look a bit like it. I think probably that Ford. Oh.
The Valiant and the
Well,
Ford.
I think everyone likes their own cars, right?
Yeah.
I like the Nissan Patrol.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Balcus Muck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I like
He's
that.
a fiery.
Oh.
Right.
So we don't know which one won yet.
Well, everyone has their own.
Yeah.
What are we doing for breakfast? Are we now going to go home and have breakfast? Or are we
Yes.
getting something along the way?
All right,
Or
guys.
do you want to...
All right, guys. So decide which car you like the most.